Changing your username on Hotels.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website or open the app and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select username option. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled username, profile, or account information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new username. You will see a field where you can enter your new desired username. Type in the new username you wish to use, ensuring it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and update your username. Now you have successfully changed your username on Hotels.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.